In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. This function is perfect when you have a list of items and want to pull related information automatically, like finding a person's name from their ID or retrieving a product price from a catalog. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by deciding what you want to look up. In cell E2, type the exact ID or name you want to search for. This value is your search key. Make sure it matches how the data is stored in your sheet. For example, if your IDs are numbers in the table, type a number. If they're text, type it exactly without extra spaces. Small differences like trailing spaces or inconsistent capitalization can cause lookup errors, so it's worth double checking. Next, identify the table that holds your data. Think of it as the area where the lookup will happen. For this example, we'll use A2B10. One important rule: the column you're searching in must be the first column of this range. If you're looking up an ID, that ID column should be on the left side of the range. The information you want to return, like a name or price, should be in a column to the right within the same range. Your actual range can be larger than A2B10. Just make sure it includes the search column first and the return column next. Now go to cell F2 and enter the formula VLOOKUP E2 A2B10 to false. Press enter. If the value in E2 is found in the first column of your selected range, Google Sheets will return the corresponding value from the second column of that range. Here's what each part means. E2 is the value you type to search for. A2B10 is the table where the search happens. The number 2 is the column index, telling VLOOKUP to return a result from the second column within the range you selected. And false tells VLOOKUP to look for an exact match, which is usually what you want for IDs and names. If you see an error like number NA, it typically means the search value doesn't exist in the first column of your range, or there's a mismatch such as an extra space or different formatting. Check that the item in E2 appears exactly in the first column of your range and that the search column really is the first column in that selection. That's it. With this setup, you can change the search value in E2 anytime and the result in F2 will update automatically. VLOOKUP makes pulling the right information fast, accurate, and repeatable.